Okay, guys, and what the heck? What the heck? Hold on. Oh my god, what's happening? No. Oh my gosh. Help. They're attacking Animal Jam. What the heck? Oh, no, help. Oh my god. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They just broke Animal Jam. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. What the heck? No. No. They broke it. No. Help. Oh my gosh. That was so scary. No. Stop. Oh my gosh. No, no, no. What happened? No, what happened? Oh my god. Oh, oh, oh my god, look at that. Click it, click. Oh my gosh, wait, watch this. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, yeah, yeah. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah! Oh my gosh, when you click them, they disappear. Go away. Kill. 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 Kill them. No, no, no. Get away. Get away. Oh my gosh. They're too fat for my screen. Ah! They're screaming. Oh my god, they're gone. Oh my gosh. I have no idea what just happened. Like, oh my gosh. How did I go through that wall? What the heck? Okay, that was so scary, guys. Oh my gosh. I know how you feel with Syria Moon in a party.